Look.
Oh.
That's me going. I used the gate to go through. See, our fence is gone.
Yeah.
Shit you've ever experienced in your life. Look, all those fucking trees are gone. Honey, the whole house cracked.
I bet it did.
It was fucking scary as a bitch. If I was not on the phone with Katie, I don't know what I would have done. I heard it go, and it felt like the whole house ripped off, which makes sense because the gutter's gone. Oh, baby, there's nails in there.
Screws went up right in my ass.
I fell twice already in water. I have jammies on. I gotta get shorts, and I was just trying to get in the house. I haven't even. The dogs can't go outside. They can get out underneath over there now. That whole fence is gone.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. Our whole fence is gone.
I never got any of the pictures you sent me.
Well, I'm telling you, it's crazy. See, look, we can't bitch about the campground not being able to see fireworks ever again now.
Yeah, we definitely got an open view of the fucking fireworks for sure.
Yeah.
All our trees are gone. The whole row.
Anyways,
The whole entire row.
here's what the fence looks like down there. Oh, you're going down there anyway.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. There's no woods in my backyard. Nothing. No woods anymore in my backyard. That tree's down. I can't believe this. There is no trees in my backyard anymore. Look at that. Look at that. That's the roots of a tree. And I'm gonna have to put a temporary fence right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no trees in my backyard anymore. Holy crap. All the trees are gone, Cody.
I see that. The fence is fucked, the trees are gone.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put that temporary fence up here so the dogs can go out.